Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error code E03. So if you got water stuck in your drum like this and your Hoover H-Wash 500 is showing an E03 error code, I'm going to try and fix it for you. The E03 means the machine can't drain. Usually it's a simple blockage and you can fix it yourself. It's relatively simple to do. But first of all, you need to turn off the machine. On some Hoover models, the door automatically unlocks after a few minutes, even with the water inside. So if yours opens, remove all the wet clothes first and scoop out as much water as possible using a plastic container. This makes the next step much easier, especially because the H-Wash 500 doesn't have a drain hose. Open the flap at the front, bottom of the wash machine. You can use a flat screwdriver, a penny or a knife. Like in this case, you want to turn the filter cap slowly to control the flow. So don't just open it, in one go. You need to do it slowly. So because if you do it in one go, there's still water contained in the washing machine, and you don't want all that water to spill out all at once. So don't rush this part. The water will come out in stages. Yeah, unlike the Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine, which has a built-in hose for easy draining, the Hoover H-Wash 500 doesn't have that. So everything has to come out through this one opening. It takes a bit longer and it can get messy if you open it too fast. So keep a tray or towel underneath because the flow can suddenly increase. This part always feels slow, but it's normal. So just let the machine empty completely. The more water you get out here, the easier the rest of the fix will be. When it slows down to just a drip, that's when you know the drum is finally empty. This is where you usually find the problem. In my case, the filter was packed. All of this came from one wash, would you believe? Bits of lint, dirt, and a whole bunch of curtain hooks I forgot to remove from my pocket. So, yeah. This is exactly why emptying your pockets is so important. Even when small objects can jam the pump, but a handful like this will stop the machine from draining completely. So give the filter a proper clean under the tap. Make sure all the debris is out. Anything left behind can cause the same issue again. You don't want to repeat this process. Just make sure you get everything out, feel around in there. You'll feel a small plastic fan. That's the impeller. It should spin freely. If it's stiff or something's wrapped around it, remove it carefully. This is usually where pocket items end up after they get past the filter. So make sure nothing is hiding at the back. Sometimes the smallest piece of metal or plastic is enough to stop the pump from turning. Right, so once that's all done, put the filter back in, tighten it and close the flap. And you're ready to go, hopefully. So plug the machine back on, or in my case, I just switch the switch on. Yeah, run a drain or spin cycle is recommended to confirm the fix. If the water drains and the error clears, you're done. And it looks like it is done here. Simple, calm fixes without the drama. So if this helped, subscribe for more how to, not to guides. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.